सभी वैष्णव लोगों ने अनेकों दृष्टिकोण से भागवत की कथा श्रवण कराया। विशेष करके वैकुंठ अयोध्या द्वारका में जो समस्त लीला वही लीला को श्री कृष्ण योग माया के द्वारा
So we were hearing about Lord Krishna's pastime in these days, and the continuation, like how the spiritual abode, Aprakrit Golok Vrindavan, through Yog Maya, it appears here in this world.
विशेष करके हम लोग ने श्रवण किया कृष्ण के जितने भी लीलाएं सर्वोत्तम लीला का
रास लीला,
ब्रज माधुर्य लीला, और उसमें विशेष करके रास लीला की कथा ही आचार्य को पालन।
So there are so many leelas of the Godhead, but especially this Krishna's Braj Leela is very special, and in Braj Leela the Ras Leela is the topmost.
इस कथा प्रसंग हम लोग आज प्रातः काल में भी श्रवण कर रहे थे। नित्य सिद्ध जो गोपियां कृष्ण के वंशीधर सुनते हैं।
Now voice is okay.
उनकी कोई बाधा नहीं। अजित तो गोपियां साधन सिद्ध साधन पर उसमें अनेक प्रकार के मंत्र की सुधि ज्योति की अज्योति की के रामचंद्र की दर्शन करके मिथिलापुरी की कन्याएं, ये समस्त जो है गोपियां जो कृष्ण के ब्रज में जन्म लिया, उन्होंने कैसे कृष्ण के साथ मिल गए।
So Maharaj is telling about the different types of gopis who are eager to meet with Krishna, Nitya Siddha gopis and different kinds of gopis. Maharaj is explaining. So Maharaj is telling the gopis who have anurag towards Krishna, they are allowed in rasa dance, and Yoga Maya will always do favorable for these gopis. And the gopis who do not have nishta for Krishna, not nishta, anurag, the gopis who do not have anurag towards Krishna, so Yoga Maya make obstacles for these gopis who do not have anurag to Krishna, and they are not able to participate in the rasa dance.
अथवा किसी कारण से जो है कि पड़ोसी के घर में कहीं आने वाली हो, इस प्रकार जो मैंने से दर्द कर, इसलिए उन लोगों के लिए कृष्ण मिलन के लिए किसी प्रकार बात नहीं। और दूसरी जो है गोपियां जो है शादी नित्य सिद्धा की संग के पक्ष कृष्ण के प्रकार अनुराग नहीं हुआ, तो दुर्माया ने किया कि उन लोगों के लिए कोई, इसलिए वो लोग अपने पति अथवा गुरुजनों के द्वारा उसके बारे में कह रहे हैं। जब वे लोग जब रुके जन्म लिया ता बाजो माना पति भी भातृ बंधु गोविंद अपहृत आत्मनो न वर्तन्तु महिता। सुखदेव गोस्वामी बात कहने लगे, वह समस्त गोपियां पति पिता भ्राता एवं बंधुगण विशेष वो समस्त गोपियां क्या करने लगे? सब अंतर्गता काचिरूपा वो समझता हो गया
So all these gopis,
अपने गुरुजनों के द्वारा जब प्रभात हो गया
so all these gopis were stopped by their parents and their seniors, and they were crying in the house. So they were meditating upon Lord Krishna, and they offered their heart to the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, and all their pains were got away, and through their Siddha Deha they went to meet with Krishna. So Maharaj is speaking how the karma can be destroyed. Karma can be destroyed by doing bhajan, Aikantik Bhakti, one-pointed bhajan. So by doing this one-pointed bhajan, karma, jnana, ityadi will get destroyed automatically.
अपने केचुला के जो है स्किन के जो है छोड़ करके जैसे कब बाहर आ जाते उसको पता ही नहीं चलता
Like how snake sheds his skin unknowingly, in the same way, by meditating, by chanting Lord's name, they come out of this material body, they take the Siddha Deha and they go and meet with Krishna. So here Tikakar Shripad Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is telling, by doing the bhajan of Lord Krishna or Govinda, the sadhaks three dashas, the three stages. Which are the three stages? One is sadhan bhakti, one is bhav bhakti, and another is prema bhakti. So again, two branches in the each stages. What are the two branches? Two leaves. One is Keshagni and one is Shubhada in sadhan bhakti. Like any kinds of klesh, avidya, pap, bij, kut, all this comes to the Kleshagni. All this get destroyed. Kleshagni. And Shubhada. All kinds of auspiciousness will appear in him, in a sadhak. So Satya, Shaucha, Daya, Tapa, Saujanya, all the Sadgunas will appear in the sadhak. Again in the second stage there are four leaves. One is Sudurlabha and another is Moksha Laguta. Sudurlabha and Moksha Laguta.
अनेकों दिन साधन भजन करने पर भी जो वस्तु प्राप्ति मिलता है और भगवत चरण में अपने को समर्पित होता है.
So many lifetimes by doing sadhan bhajan, sometimes you do not attain the perfection. So just by offering yourself to the lotus feet of Lord, you may attain this. So the thing which is not obtained from the lifetimes and lifetimes by doing sadhan bhajan. And one more is moksha rupita prem. For mukti, for liberation, Advaitavadis glorify this mukti.
इसलिए साधन भक्ति में 2, भाव भक्ति में कितने पत्ता बोले?
4
पत्ता बोले। प्रेमा भक्ति में फिर 2 पत्ते,
6 पत्ते. So again in Prema Bhakti it is
2, 4,
6 leaves.
तो कितने हो गए? 12 पत्ते हो गए। साधन भक्ति में 2 पत्ते हो गए।
12.
भाव भक्ति में
So total 12 leaves. 3 stages and 12 leaves. We have to remember 3 stages and 12 leaves. 6 पत्ते. Sadhana Bhakti 2, Bhav Bhakti 4, Prema Bhakti 6. 6. Prema Bhakti
हाँ, प्रेमा भक्ति में
6.
6 पत्ते हो गए।
Total 12.
यह क्या क्या है? प्रेमा भक्ति में 2 पत्ता, फिर एक्स्ट्रा 2 पत्ता क्या होता है? सांद्रात्मा विशेषता कृष्ण आकर्षण। प्रेम इतने प्रयुक्त हो-
Sandrananda Visheshatma and Krishnakarshani.
प्रेम इतने घनीभूत है, चित्त के द्रवीभूत कर देगा।
So Prem is such a strong thing
गरम करते करते जितनी
which
ताकत धारण होता है,
melts the heart.
वह वृत्ति
Like example Maharaj is giving, like how the milk, if you keep on boiling, it gets condensed, and when it becomes more condensed, it is so tasty. In the same way,
और फिर
the love will become so condensed in the Prem Bhakti,
स्वयं कृष्ण की जो है आकर्षण कर देगा।
and automatically you will be attracted towards Krishna.
अपने सुगंध आदि के द्वारा भ्रमर के जैसे आकृष्ट कर देगा।
Like how the flower through its fragrance it is attracting to the bumblebees. In the same way, the devotee's heart
सुगंध
is attracted to Krishna.
कृष्ण रूपी भ्रमर को क्या करते हैं? आकृष्ट करते हैं। तो इसी प्रकार तो इसी तरह प्राप्त अप्राप्त नाश भजन दर्शन निवृत्ति भूमिका रुड़ाना उत्ताहु तपस्या परमात्मा परम वेद चार। देखो वो समस्त गोपियां कृष्ण के प्रति कौन सा प्रति
See all these gopis towards Krishna, what kind of intention they had. Jar buddhi, they had a jar buddhi. Jar buddhi means क्या बोलते हैं? Conjugal. जार बुद्धि means
उद्बोधित भाव
स्थूल विचार.
अच्छा इसी कथा को सुन करके परीक्षित महाराज सुखदेव गोस्वामी निकट परीक्षितवाद कृष्णरूपरं कंकणोदुर्मपयामुने पुनः प्रभावो परमस्तासं पुनादियं कथम्। परीक्षित महाराज कहने लगे, हे भगवान, हे गुरुदेव, कोई अपराध न हो जाए। मेरे मन में एक प्रश्न है।
So Parikshit Maharaj is asking to Shukdev Goswami, hey Gurudev, I have this question in my mind. What is that question? So Brahmavadi log, they control their senses and they do penance, austerity for such a long time, so heavily for Brahma Jnana. But all these gopis have attained Krishna, but they are not considering Krishna as the God. They are considering Krishna as their life and soul, Pranakant. So Shukdev Goswami is asking, please tell me about these kind of gopis, about me more and more. So in Shastras it is said, to obtain the Godhead there are some niyam, rules and regulations, Indriya Dhaman, controlling the senses. So one of that is controlling the senses. So how Rup Goswami Pad is telling Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam in his Upadeshamrita.
ये स्वतंत्र है। कई दिन हम भक्ति राज्य में कैसे धीरे धीरे उन्नत पड़े, इसलिए तो नियमावली दिया गया शास्त्र में है। आप छलांग लगा करके जा नहीं सकते। इनके संयम दान व्रत तप होम,
दान तप व्रत भौम
आदि करना पड़ता है, तब जाकर के धीरे धीरे
penance, austerity, chitta shuddhi in the food, purification of the heart. There are so many things which has to be followed. There are so many rules and regulations to attain one small Brahma Jnana. But these gopis are getting Lord Krishna himself. They did not even attain the Brahma Jnana, but they attained the Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is the Swayam Bhagavan, but they are not considering Pranakanta. Pranpriyatma. So these gopis are considering Krishna as their Pranakanta, Pranpriyatama, my life and soul. How can this be possible? Please tell me, Shukdev Goswami. So Parikshit Maharaj is asking for Shukdev Goswami. Now Shukdev Goswami started to speak. So Shukdev Goswami Pad is telling, after hearing he just telling here, you did not hear properly. Whatever I said, you did not hear properly. If you hear properly, you could not have this question. So this story I have said already before only at the time of Shishupal Vada. But at that time you did not hear properly. So if you hear the class properly, hear the katha properly, this question would. So Shukdev Goswami is telling, I have already said this before. So when Krishna was slaying the Shishupal, when I explained this, at the same time I have also explained this katha.
उसके हृदय से ये सब तो अपने आप काम क्रोध आदि दूर हो जाता है। वस्त्राहरण लीला में तो कृष्ण को भी कहा, ये देखो आप लोग की मन हमें निविष्ट होने के नाते बचा बचता दिया, मेरे प्रति किसी के प्रति मन अनिष्ट हो जाए, उनके हृदय में जितने काम क्रोध आदि अपने आप क्या हो जाता है, हो जाता है।
So
जिस प्रकार धान अथवा गेहूं के को यदि उबाल दे, गर्म पानी में खलते हुए पानी में जिसे उबाल दे, फिर वो धान अथवा गेहूं के यदि पानी में डाल दिया वो कभी अंकुर होगा नहीं। क्यों? ना धान अथवा गेहूं के जब आप खलते हुए पानी में जब उबालते हैं, उसके अंदर में जो पड़ेसी बीज जो है वो क्या हो गया, समाप्त नष्ट हो गया। ठीक उसी प्रकार मज्जा घंटा दिया मेरे प्रति कोई अनिष्ट हो जाए, उनके हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप से काम क्रोध आदि अपने आप नष्ट हो गए।
So Maharaj is telling here that if you take some grains and if you just fry it on the pan, after that if you put it on the ground, if you make it crop, it will not spout. In the same way, if anybody has surrendered to Lord, all his काम, क्रोध, all disasters, all kind of bad things will go away automatically.
सोदानस्तं अरणं भज वासुदेवं सोदानस्तं अरणं भज वासुदेवं। भक्त लोग इस प्रकार गोविंद की स्मरण करें।
So how devotees are remembering Lord Krishna, Smaran.
जैसे कथा श्रृंगार प्राप्त करने में चेतन चेतावनी ठाकुर की कथा चलाने।
So morning I had said about Bilomangal Thakur. Maharaj is telling, when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, when he was filled with bhav, he used to study Bilomangal Thakur's Krishna Karanamrit. Krishna Karanamrit. मधुरम मधुरम महाराज मधुरम मधुरम 2 मधुरम बाद में 3 मधुरम बाद में 4 मधुरम 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 देहा मधुरम दूसरा ग्रंथ में है very beautiful. You all should hear this. This is very beautiful story. Morning Maharaj spoke in Harikatha. Very beautiful. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was in Radha Bhav, he was crying, where is my Prananath? Where is my Murali Manohar? Where is my Brajendra Nandan? So Mahaprabhu telling, where should I go? Where is my Pranakanta Krishna? O Shiki Pincha, O peacock feathered Krishna, where he is? When I will have his darshan of Vadan and Kamal. Vadan Kamal means face, his beautiful face. So in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to cry and fall down. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's face, he used to rub in the ground, on the sand, or soft sand. Through his nails, he used to scratch the mud on the ground and his nails used to become red. So Swarup Damodar started to say, Mahaprabhu, what are you doing? So Mahaprabhu said, oh Swarup, this Krishna is very cheating. So where he is? So Swarup Damodar started to say, hey Prabhu, Krishna is in your heart. In your separation, he is hidden in your separation. So after hearing this, Mahaprabhu started to tear his heart. Then Swarup Damodar said, oh Prabhu, Krishna is always with you. So by saying this, Mahaprabhu also become, so by saying these things, Mahaprabhu used to become unconscious. So after some time, he used to say Bilomangal Thakur Shlok. This is very beautiful Shlok. Maharaj used to say in morning Harikatha, if possible you all should hear this. Maharaj is not getting that shlok in the reference, but morning Harikatha, today's morning Harikatha he has spoken, you all should listen that.
और चलते चलते स्वयं कृष्ण
So Bilomangal Thakur was walking. While walking, Lord Krishna came in front of him.
बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर अपने दोनों आंखों के जो है अंधा कर
So Bilomangal Thakur was blinded,
और स्वयं कृष्ण
and
उसका हाथ पकड़ के
personally Lord Krishna used to hold his hands and take him.
कृष्ण कहने लगे बिल्वमंगल
And Lord Krishna used to say, "Hey Bilomangal, you are the resident of the South India." अच्छा यहाँ पे. Oh, got it.
क्या मुझे कुछ कृष्ण कथा श्रवण कराओगे?
So Krishna is telling, can you tell me about Krishna's story for me? So small Krishna is telling like that. So he is telling the beauty of Lord Krishna. Now Maharaj is tell that shloka very beautiful in Chaitanya
क्यों
Charitamrita.
राधा आदि गोपियां
Why Radha and other gopis
अनुरक्त क्यों?
are so much attached and attracted towards Krishna? Why? What is the reason?
जिसके कोई इसके प्रति अनुराग करे, अनुराग के लक्षण क्या होता है?
What is the
वह भी
symptoms of anurag?
कथा भी उन्होंने नहीं कर सकता। है? अनुराग की तात्पर्य है स्नेहानुबंधन
Parasparaanu snehanubandhana. This is called anuraga.
उनकी कथा उनकी बारे में छोड़ करके कुछ नहीं करते। जिस
So,
प्रकार ईसाई लोग
He will not hear anything apart from
ईसाई
his
कथा
katha.
छोड़ करके कुछ नहीं आता है।
Like the material people, they speak only about the material thing and then nothing will come.
वो उनके पास बैठ वो क्या करेगा? कोई बिजनेस की कथा बताए।
So like material world people, they just speak about the materialistic things. Businessmen speak about business things in the same way.
अनुराग की जो लक्षण है
Parasparaanu sneha anubandha.
एक दूसरे के स्नेह के द्वारा ऐसे बंध जाते हैं
Paraspara
जिसके बिना रह
anu sneha anubandha.
कोई जगत नहीं। जिस प्रकार कामी पुरुष सब कुछ देखते हैं हमारी भांति सभी कामी है।
So like how Kami Purush will always speak about calm, lusty things. Lusty person speaks about lusty things.
कभी तो चोरी करता है।
And the thief will always speak about his stories of thieves.
राजा ने घोषणा कर दी देखो
So Maharaj is telling one story
आपसे कोई
here.
भी चोर किसी प्रकार चोर पकड़ा जाए उसको
So one king was there. One king was there. He announced, from tomorrow, if we catch any thief, we will hang him. We'll give the death sentence.
तीन चोर जब पकड़े गए
So three thieves were caught next day,
राजा के पास
and they were presented in front of the king.
पहले चोर बोले तुम चोरी किया
He asked the first thief, did you thief? Did you rob? The first robber said, yes, I did.
चोर पकड़ा जाए तो उसको
Mrityu dand.
मृत्यु दंड।
I had said that if I catch the thief, I will give death sentence.
मृत्यु दंड। कहीं चला
So king ordered his soldiers take the first and give him death sentence. And second started to cry and say, oh, this is my swabhav, this is my nature.
राजा ने कहा इसको मृत्यु दंड।
And king said, take this second person also and give the death sentence. And the third person. So he was little intelligent, third person, third thief.
तुमने चोरी किया?
Oi, did you
क्यों?
thief?
मैंने कहा था ना
Did you did robbery? Yesterday I said no.
कि ये महाराज
That I'll give death
इससे
sentence.
चोरी किया था।
So the third person say,
तो सुना
Oh, Maharaj,
सुनने के द्वारा मैं कुछ
I did robbery because if I get some
जिससे
gold,
आपका भी लाभ होगा
through
मेरे भी
that
लाभ
gold I will do some
होगा। सोने की खेती
I will do golden
ऐसे
agriculture,
महाराज,
golden crops.
आप मुझे
So king said, hey, you are fool.
बता तो दीजिए।
So then thief said, oh, give me one chance, Maharaj, please. I will show you how I can grow the gold.
उसके पास कौन सा जादू सोना
So
है?
Maharaj thought, who knows which miracle.
नहीं है तो इसको
he
दंड
has-
है, हमारे विधान है। और बड़े अच्छा
So king started to
कितना
think like
समय
this.
लगेगा?
And he asked, how
चलो,
much
एक
time you
महीने
want?
का समय देता हूं।
एक?
एक महीने तुमको मैं समय
So
देता
king said, I will give you 1 month time.
हूं। एक महीने से जीवित रहना। अरे, अब राजा इधर बोले यदि सचमुच में सोना यदि हो गया हैं? वो तो हमारी लगा उसके थोड़ी है।
So king thought, okay, if we
एक महीने
really
के बाद उसके ऊपर बताया
grow the gold, then it will be ours.
क्या कर रहे हो? बोले,
After 1
महाराज,
month he
मुझे
came and he asked.
तो एक मन होना चाहिए है?
So
अच्छा
after 1 month he asked,
राजा ने
what are you doing? He said, oh
एक
king,
मन
I need
चाहिए।
another
बोले, महाराज, ये
another
सोना की जैसे
1 bag of gold.
बीज जैसे ना गेहूं के भांति बनाया जाए।
So he said, Maharaj,
राजा ने क्या की?
this has to be sized up like a seed.
नार को बुलाया, चलो
And he called the goldsmith and make the golden seeds with the gold.
फिर बना दिया, छोटा छोटा दाना करके बनाया। बोले करो। अच्छा बोले महाराज सब ठीक हो गया। फिर कितने दिन लगे? एक महीने।
So now you said, now you do. So he said, another 1 month I need time for this.
बोले खेती खेती कर सब हो गया, लेकर के आया। वो तो मंत्र मंत्र कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे टुकटा झिक 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 झिक।
So there was no magic or nothing, just
अच्छा बोले महाराज ये बीच मंत्र
he was doing gimmick.
ये महाराज बोले आदि खेती काम हो रही है खेती। तुम बोले महाराज इसमें एक बात।
So after 1 month he came, he said, what is this? There is no gold in the field. So the thief used to say, so the thief said, the mantra which I know will affect to that person who has not done theft in his life. He said this to king. So the king said, so the king asked everyone, is there anyone who did not do robbery? Nobody did not answer. Mantri. Mantri means prime minister. No prime minister. So the prime minister also said, sometimes here and there I do, Maharaj, please forgive me.
कितना भी ध्यान रखो कभी तो इधर उधर हो ही जाता है महाराज। अच्छा तो बोले सभी लोग कहने लगे महाराज आप ही कर लीजिए ना।
So everybody said, oh king, you yourself do.
महाराज करने लगे बचपन।
So then king started to say, in my childhood I used to steal this, that, this, everything. So finally the king did not get a person who did not rob. So the king said, I will forgive you from the death sentence.
हाँ वो चोरी तो उतना ही होता है। समझिए क्या जाने लोगों पापे गुरु दंड देते। अरे कोई सामान्य यदि कोई पाप करे उसके लिए कभी मन ऐसे गुरु दंड नहीं आदि दंड नहीं। तो अभी हम जिस कथा में आ रहे हैं इसमें कहानी और जिस प्रकार
So coming back, so the sadhak will naturally get rid of all kind of impediments, all kind of distractions, all kind of difficulties like काम, क्रोध, मोह.
पाप और पुण्य दोनों भोगने के लिए हमें इस संसार में आना पड़ता है।
So in this material world we have to come. When we come here, we have to take up both sinful and piousness from our past. We have to undergo these things. Sinful or pious, both will get destroyed if we do the bhakti, because bhakti is like a fire. नष्ट हो जाता है. So this pious sin, everything will get destroyed in the fire of bhakti.
इसलिए तो ये जो भक्तगण लीला में ये श्लोक अति अत्यंत जो है महत्वपूर्ण श्लोक है.
So this particular shloka is very
बड़े
important
बड़े अभिष्ट किसी
at
बात
present.
से वो अपने आप हृदय में, उनके हृदय में जितने भी काम क्रोध आदि जितने भी अनर्थ आ रही है वो अपने आप नष्ट हो जाता है जिस कथा प्रसंग में कहा गया। ये शिशुपाल की यदि ऐसे हो, शिशुपाल के आदि इसमें भक्त कैसे प्राप्ति किया, इसमें जो दे रहे हैं जैसे कहन ये चरित्र श्री तथागत दिशक नबी ऋषिकेश किमुत अदुच्छोकी, देश करने वाले व्यक्ति, भय करने वाली व्यक्ति, कामा देशा किसने कहा, कामा देशा भय स्नेह काम
Kama, lusty, dvesha means enmity, krodha means anger, sneha means friendship, bhaya means fear. So these things stay in the heart. All these things are there in the heart.
भगवान की प्राप्ति करने के उपाय बताए, कामा गोपा।
So if you have love or lust in the heart, you divert it towards Krishna. Aprakrit Divya Prem. Examples are gopis.
क्रोध के द्वारा,
Krodh by anger.
क्रोध में किसके बारे? शिशुपाल, राम क्रोध,
Shishupal
और भय के द्वारा
comes.
हम से सदा
Krodh Shishupal. Example how Shishupal was making always angry on Krishna, and Krodh. Bhaya means Bhaya is for Kamsa. He was always fearing for Krishna. Sneha is examples for Pandavas. Friendship. कौन सा बोला?
लौकिक सद्बंध गौर भगवत प्राप्ति की एकमात्र जानती।
So for attaining the Godhead,
जिस प्रकार वे लोग सदा सर्वदा भगवान में तन्मय होकर रहने लगे,
so we have to always be submerged in the love of Godhead.
तब वस्तु में डूब जाना।
Tanmayata means observe yourself.
वह ये कौन राजा जिसके शरीर मंथन करके जो वेन में सद्बुद्धि क्यों नहीं हुआ? वेन भी कृष्ण के साथ देश करने लगे, ये उसके तन्माता नहीं।
So King Vane in Srimad Bhagavatam, the story of King Vane comes. Why he did not happen? Why he did not get Sadgati? Because he was avist in the Tanmaya.
ये भक्ति ये परम लक्ष्य का होता है, काम के द्वारा, क्रोध के द्वारा, भय के द्वारा।
So using all our senses, all our for the pleasure of the God. Kamad Gopya.
एकमात्र कहते हैं सर्वदा गोविंद सेवा, गोविंद की इंद्रिय सुख के लिए ही उनके मन में।
So they were always for the pleasure of Krishna, gopis.
इसलिए ये मंत्र बहुत सुंदर टीकाकार को बताते हैं, जो भगवत प्राप्ति के यही पर बताते हैं। इसलिए आगे जाकर के स्वयं कृष्ण भी गोपियां जब उपस्थित हुई, कृष्ण भी उनके साथ कैसे परिहास आदि करने लगे, ये समस्त कथा भी वर्णन किया है। बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं हैं, समय कम है इसलिए।
So there are beautiful stories like this. Since the time is shortage, I am not able to cover everything.
ऐसे सुंदर लीला आदि प्रकट किया।
So Lord, how beautifully He manifested all His leelas, very sweet. And the reason was only thing that the people should hear about His leela and become absorbed in the Krishna leela. So when gopis were doing like this, even the Lord also used to do some has parihas, like some comedy and some teasing with gopis, some humors.
स्वागतम भो महाभागा,
Sagatam bo Mahabhaga.
प्रियंती करवाणी पर आप पे ऐसे कोई कुशल कर्म नहीं कर सकता। व्रत की आने में अर्थात इस रात्रि काल में वन में आने की आवृत्ति कारण क्या है, ये हमें बताइए। इस कथा को सुनकर के एक फिर कहने लगे,
So Krishna is telling, welcome to you all gopis. What is the reason you all come at this midnight to this forest? Krishna is asking this to gopis. So Lord is speaking now again, and he is doing many types of humors with gopis. And this has two meanings for this shloka. You are all so beautiful. Sumadhyama. Sumadhyama means very beautiful, very slim. And this is so midnight, dark night. And there are so many animals, snakes, beasts in this forest. But coming in this midnight is not so good for a woman. So I would request you all to please go back to your home. Your parents, father, mother, brother, husband, everybody will be waiting for you. They will be thinking about you. Like how in this material world also, when a woman goes out late, or when she comes, when she is delayed to come to a house, it is taking some late, everybody was thinking. So Krishna is telling,
तो इसलिए भगवान कृष्ण भी सांसारिक दृष्टि में, लौकिक दृष्टि में जगत की शिक्षा दे रहे हैं।
So Lord Krishna in samsaric drishti, in this material world's rules and regulations, Lord is also giving teachings for this material world people.
इसके कारण क्या है? लड़कियां अपने अपने गिद्धड़ होकर के घूमने शुरू कर देती और उसके पीछे तो गिद्धड़ लग जाता है। गिद्धड़ समझते, तो दोष किसका है बताओ? समाज श्रृंखल होती जा रही है, पर कैसे चलेगा?
So Maharaj is speaking, he is giving example how the civilization is going worse and worst, and the girls how they roam with the different boys. It is not so good. And what the woman should do, what a girl should do, when she is younger, she should be under the guidance of parents. When she comes to the age of marriage, she should be under the guidance of her husband. When she comes older, then she should be in the guidance of her child. This is the woman's duty. So even Lord is teaching the same thing here. So Lord is also telling your father, mother, kids, husband, everyone will be waiting for you and they will be thinking for you. This is not good, you have come here.
भगवान भी लोक दृष्टि के समाज दृष्टि के लिए भी एक बार भी उपदेश भी दे रहे। कुछ लोग कहते हैं हम लोग के ऊपर इतने क्यों, वस्त्र हमारे ऊपर क्यों है?
So some women also ask, why everything is for women? Why not for men? So the present women are like this. After hearing this story from Srimad Bhagavatam,
जिसमें जो विधान
the
शास्त्र
woman
में
is
माने
asking
गए,
like this.
ये पुरुषों के लिए विधान दिया गया है।
So Maharaj is telling you have to accept what Shastra says. There is a rules for men also and there is rules for women also. So one should accept what Shastra says.
बड़े बहन जी अकेली जाए कहीं, उसके पीछे कहीं की कुछ लोग लग जाता है। आप जाओ, हो सकता है कि कोई बात है, क्योंकि संसार में
So Maharaj is giving example like how if a woman goes out, how many men follow her, and if a man go, nobody is following him. So Maharaj is giving example of these things
इसमें बहुत सुंदर चीजें आ रही हैं।
and very beautifully mentioned so many things in Srimad Bhagavatam.
फिर भगवान करें क्या आप लोग दृष्टवनम कुसुमितम
दृष्टवनम कुस-
जोना अनिलम विहाय उपपन्न वसुमितम, यह क्या आप लोग इस रात्रि काल में ज्योत्सना के द्वारा सुंदर चंद्रमा की जंगल को दर्शन करने के लिए आए, जिसका वर्णन कुसुमितम राकेशम करणजीतम, राकेशम करणजीतम चंद्रमा के द्वारा सुशोभित जो बन गया है, क्या दर्शन करने के लिए आए?
So why have you come here? Have you come here to see the beauty of the moon, or
सुंदर निर्मल स्वच्छ जल के ऊपर वायु प्रवाहित हो रहा है, हवा चल रही है। इतने सुंदर और ना जाने कितने सुंदर पुष्प आदि प्रस्फुटित हुए हैं। क्या ये
so
सुंदर
in this Yamuna is flowing so mildly and the breeze is flowing and there are so many flowers grown in the banks. What, have you come here for enjoy this, to see this? Now okay, go back to your house. After seeing this, go back to your house and do your seva of your
पति
husband.
को छोड़ करके
Leaving your husband
उद्दंड होकर के चलना उचित नहीं।
and coming is not good. Leaving your husband and
पति
coming is
सेवा के
not so
बाद
good.
ही
Only by the husband service you will obtain everything.
पति को छोड़ करके और इधर-उधर घूमते रहते हैं, ना इस संसार में
So
सुख है।
by leaving husband you go here and there, you don't get happiness in this material world. In fact, you will be always be distressed. So today we are ending Harikatha here. Please forgive me if any offenses. To all devotees I request. Vancha kalpatarubhesha kripa sindhubhyacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namaha. Dandavat pranam to all devotees. Hare Krishna.